You know, Makita has bringing a storm of new tools since the beginning of 2025. So how can we stop ourselves from showing them? That's why today we're here with some of the new power tools for Makita, and make sure to watch to the end because there's something cool hiding in the list. We'll start with the Makita XHU10 cordless 24-inch hedge trimmer. If you've ever struggled with gas hedge trimmers, heavy engines, pull cords, oil changes, spark plug replacements, you'll instantly appreciate what Makita has done here. It uses a 24-inch dual-action, double-sided steel blade, giving you a longer reach and a wider cut with every pass. The Makita-built motor delivers up to 2,700 strokes per minute on its high-speed setting, which is fast enough to slice through thick hedge growth without slowing down. In fact, it can cut branches up to 3/5 of an inch in diameter, so you're not just trimming leaves, you're shaping and maintaining full hedges. Even better, it delivers up to 100 minutes of runtime on a 4 amp-hour battery, which is plenty to cover most yards in a single session. And because it's cordless, you don't have to worry about fuel draining in storage or dealing with mufflers and filters. Just snap in the battery and you're good to go. Once your outdoor trimming is done, there's usually a mess to clean up. And that's where the Makita GSV01 25.5-inch vacuum sweeper comes in. Instead of dragging a broom across the shop floor or driveway, this cordless sweeper makes cleanup 11 times faster. It's powered by Makita's 40-volt Max XGT batteries, and with a pair of fully charged 8 amp-hour batteries, it can cover up to 93,000 square feet. To put that in perspective, that's larger than most warehouse floors. The design includes a 3-brush system, giving you effective cleaning on different surfaces, whether you're dealing with fine dust or bulkier debris. Controls are easy to reach with onboard buttons for power, suction, brush speeds, LED lights, and even an automatic filter cleaning system. It offers both a standard mode for regular cleaning and a quiet mode when you want less noise. For versatility, there's a height adjustment dial that allows you to handle anything from small dust particles to larger debris, up to something the size of a 19.6-inch plastic bottle. And although it sounds like a big piece of equipment, it's surprisingly lightweight, weighing only about 65 pounds, which is nearly 40% lighter than many sweepers in its class. Shifting gears to woodworking, Makita hasn't forgotten the pros who rely on precision cutting. The new Makita GSL03 and GSL04 compound miter saws are strong entries into the XGT system, available in both 10-inch and 12-inch blade sizes. If you've used Makita saws before, you know they're built to be workhorses, and these models are no exception. Both saws come equipped with advanced brushless motors, giving you faster cutting speeds and more cuts per charge compared to brushed models. They're perfect for crown molding, baseboards, framing lumber, and angled cuts where precision is everything. One standout feature is the integrated LED light that casts a sharp shadow of the blade onto the material, creating a reliable cut line that's easier to follow than traditional laser guides. These saws are also AWS capable, which means they can wirelessly connect to a dust extractor and automatically power it on or off as you work, something that keeps your workspace cleaner without adding an extra step. For jobs that don't need a full-size miter saw but still call for cutting power, Makita has introduced the GCU07 pruning saw, and this tool is surprisingly mighty for its compact size. Designed with a 6-inch bar and chain, it's perfect for pruning trees, trimming limbs, and general yard work. What makes it stand out is its balance of size and performance. Despite weighing just 4.6 pounds with the battery, it can deliver up to 80% more power than comparable models and cuts up to 70% faster. When paired with the 2.5 amp-hour 40-volt Max XGT battery, the GCU07 can make up to 400 cuts in 2-inch cedar wood on a single charge. That's a full day's work for most pruning jobs. Another thoughtful feature is the tool-free chain adjustment, which makes it easy to tighten or swap the chain in the field without needing extra tools. This little saw shows that Makita isn't just chasing big tools, they're also making compact solutions that save time and energy. Makita also knows that cleaning isn't limited to the indoors, which is why they launched the XWH02 0.7 GPM power cleaner. Running on the 18-volt LXT platform, this tool is perfect for outdoor tasks like washing the car, rinsing down patio furniture, or even cleaning off muddy tools at the end of the day. It delivers up to 320 psi of pressure and pushes out 0.7 gallons per minute, which is strong enough for everyday cleaning jobs, but not so aggressive that it risks damaging delicate surfaces. The real highlight is its flexibility. You can hook it up to a garden hose for a constant water supply, or use its self-priming siphon hose to draw water from a bucket, a tank, or even a 2-liter bottle with an adapter. The included 5-in-1 nozzle gives you multiple spray patterns, from a sharp 0-degree jet to a wide shower setting, making it adaptable to different cleaning tasks. With 2 power levels and up to 80 minutes of runtime using a 5 amp hour battery, this cleaner combines portability with real-world practicality. For those heavy-duty demolition tasks, Makita has introduced the HM00004G cordless breaker. This tool runs on 40-volt Max XGT batteries in series, which combine to deliver up to 80 volts. That level of cordless power is comparable to many corded breakers, which is impressive for anyone who's been waiting to ditch the cord without losing impact strength. The breaker features a brushless motor for efficiency and durability, and it comes packed with smart design elements. A soft start function gives you more control at the beginning of each use, while constant speed control ensures consistent power even under heavy load. For comfort, it includes Makita's AVT anti-vibration technology, which significantly reduces the strain of long demolition sessions. On top of that, twin LED lights with pre-glow and afterglow functions brighten up darker areas, and AWS compatibility allows it to wirelessly connect to a dust extractor for a cleaner work environment. Screwdriving just got an upgrade with the new Makita DFR55218VT 18V LXT auto feed screwdriver. It's designed with push drive technology that helps save battery life and reduces noise while in use. The tool handles screw diameters from 3.5 to 4.2 millimeters and links up to 55 millimeters. In addition, features like easy casing installation, a reversing lever, and a lock-on function make it very practical for continuous fastening work. Moving over to framing, Makita has introduced the DBN901 18V LXT framing nailer. This tool is built for larger jobs, driving nails up to 90 millimeters with a 41 nail magazine. To improve safety and performance, it comes with anti-restart, dry fire protection, and an adjustable depth setting. On top of that, the ergonomic hooks give you better comfort and control, especially during long framing sessions. When it comes to surface finishing, the new BO00007CG XGT Orbital mini sander makes the job easier. Thanks to its connector battery system, the weight stays off your hands, allowing smoother handling. It delivers a 2mm orbit and provides a 93 by 185mm abrasive surface. Moreover, it works perfectly with Makita's latest net-type abrasive discs and supports both vacuum and dust bag setups, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient sanding process. For outdoor trimming, Makita has released the UB002G 40V Max Pruning Saw. It comes with a 150mm guide bar, toolless change adjustment, automatic oiling, and a retractable guard for added safety. Compared to previous models, this saw is up to 70% more efficient and can deliver up to 415 cuts per charge, depending on the battery being used. Drilling and chiseling tasks are also covered with the new HR260 hammer drills. These deliver 3 joules of impact energy along with variable speed control, SDS Plus compatibility, LED lighting, and a lock-on trigger for extended use. Available in both 110V and 240V options, they are well suited for masonry and concrete applications, while keeping vibration levels under control. For clearing debris, Makita now offers the UB002 XGT Blower. This powerful tool delivers air speeds up to 99 meters per second and provides up to 120 minutes of runtime. It also includes variable speed control, a compact and balanced design, and a vacuum mode with optional dust bags, giving you more flexibility for job site cleanup. Now, with all these tools piling up, organization becomes just as important as performance, and that's where the Makita MacTrack Deep Compact Organizer enters the picture. Part of the new modular storage line, the T900-065 organizer is designed for pros who need rugged, flexible storage. Built from impact-resistant copolymer, it can withstand tough job site conditions without cracking or warping. Its capacity is impressive too, 522 cubic inches, which is up to 25% more holding space compared to other top competitors. The clear lid gives you a quick view of what's inside, while the glove-friendly latch makes it easy to open even when your hands are covered. Inside, you'll find a mix of bin sizes for organizing both small fasteners and larger components, all laid out in a low-profile design that stacks nicely with other MacTrack units. The system itself is engineered and made in the USA, built on 4 core principles: transportation, access, storage, and organization. Simply put, it's not just a box, it's a smarter way to keep your tools ready and within reach. Well, when you look at this lineup as a whole, it's clear that Makita is covering every step of the job, from fastening and framing to sanding, pruning, drilling, and finally cleaning up. These tools are connected in a way that makes your workflow smoother from start to finish.
Lastly, the CL004 series vacuums offer 4-mode suction control, a 250ml cyclone dust box, pro-grade nozzles, and tool-free attachments, making cleanup simpler and more efficient.
So, what do you think about these new releases from Makita? Which one would make the biggest difference in your work? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tools.